We're here at Traffic Systems Incorporated in Holtsville, New York for a special hands-on training session with the local electrical contractors, municipalities, and DOT. The Miovision team is here speaking about the benefits of our multimodal detection solution and highlighting best practices for installation and engineering design. The team will showcase how Miovision Core DCM and Miovision One transforms your existing traffic controllers into smart connected systems, giving you a real-time data and remote control over the agency's network of intersections.
For over 30 years, TSI has been leading the way in traffic systems innovation throughout New York State. We're excited to partner with Miovision to host a special training event about Miovision detection. We are fortunate to have the team here in person speaking directly to local contractors and customers and answering any questions that they may have.
Many of the communities we work with struggle with limited communication and almost no visibility into their signal network. With Miovision Core, cities can remotely monitor and maintain their networks. And that's just the beginning. Once that foundation is in place, they're empowered to support adaptive signal control, detect near misses, prioritize emergency vehicles, and so much more. Miovision really is a leap forward in traffic management. By providing a strong foundational platform, we help cities move people faster and safer.